How to download Minecraft. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Minecraft. You will then see the option for Minecraft. Tap on that, and as you can see, the free version of Minecraft is not currently available, so you will have to make a purchase in order to download Minecraft on your iPhone. Simply tap on the amount shown on the screen and further enter the required details, such as your Face ID and Apple Wallet details, and make the payment. You can also check if the trial version for Minecraft is available at the moment and download accordingly. So, this is how you can download Minecraft. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. See you on the next one.